Good morning, mine fans. Today, we're going to go up to the old Grant shaft that we're starting to rehab and take a look at the portal and top of the shaft and make some measurements to put some new ladders in there. So come on along for this fun trip. Here we go. Looking down the Grant. You can see that ladder over there is the reason why nobody's been down there in a long time. We're going to put some new ladder in, running down this old skidway up here. And it needs a little work up top. But look, there's Tony up there, I think. Where are you? I see you. Are you filming me from up there?
Yeah, I'm taking a picture.
Okay. There's Tony, folks. All right. Shut up. The things we do for history. And it's a beautiful mine down there. There's 2 levels below. Pretty pristine. No vandalism, no graffiti. Only litter is stuff that was thrown down from up here because this ladder has been, and you're looking at probably the best section of it. It gets jankier all the way down. That ladder is so bad that nobody's been down there for a long time. And even the J-hooks are in here. It's kind of cool. You don't see very many of those anymore. So what we're going to do is run a new ladder right down this skidway here. So I take some measurements. And we'll have that section open down there again because this is some cool stuff. It's one of the last real virgin spots in the complex just because of the accessibility here. But we'll get it open. Down here with the tape measure, it all comes down to this. It looks like these 2 skid rails here, about 16 inches, give or take. Probably 15 and a half to 16 because they've been weathered and beveled a bit. Tape measure back. So we want to make a ladder that fits the inside of that all the way down there. Get that crap out of the way and all the way to the bottom. And we'll have our ladder running there instead of where I'm standing on this crap now. Which doesn't look that bad through the viewfinder, but it is. So if we get, figure about 150 feet of that ladder, we can probably install that in a good long working day up here. And we'll have access to the couple of levels of this mine, which are really cool. I mean, you can see there's the first level actually right down there. That's its station. And about the halfway point. But I want to stay off of this stuff. And, you know, we might have enough room on the sides here to go between the skid track and the old ladder, except those blocking pieces are on every one of them. I don't want to take those out. Some interesting engineering went into this hole back 100 years ago. We want to preserve as much of it as we can while still making safe access. Oh, look, rocks. Things we do. So let's see. The top of the skidway kind of ends, unfortunately, by damage there, but puts us onto that stall, which the sun is washing out pretty heavy, where my feet are. Man. Why are we doing this with the sun directly above the shaft so I can't see Jack?
I don't know.
Okay.
Good planning.
Yep, that was... Oh well. And now you see what we get to work with. That's one of the steepest shaft and some of the jankiest superstructure up there, but eventually we'll have some new ladderway in there, sound and secure to the old structure, and we'll be able to get folks up and down there and show you this beautiful virgin 100-year-old mine. All it takes is time and money, and we've got all the time in the world out here. If you want to help with the other, please consider joining our Patreon page, Tecopa Mines at Patreon, and throwing us $5 or $10 a month be a huge help, as the lumber and stuff going into this project is not cheap. I'd say lumber doesn't grow on trees, but it kind of sort of does. It just has to make a detour through Home Depot first. Otherwise, we're going to get this done. God willing, the creek don't rise. And thank you for your support and for tuning in and helping out. And if you want to come help hang some ladders, shoot me an email. TecopaMines@gmail.com, and have a great day.